In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get SteamGuard codes from Steam app. If you ever need to sign into Steam on a new device or confirm a sensitive action, your SteamGuard code is what keeps your account secure. I'll walk you through where to find it in the mobile app and share a few quick pointers so you know exactly what you're looking at. Start by opening your Steam app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to protect. On the main screen, look toward the bottom navigation bar. Right in the center, you'll see a shield icon. This is the SteamGuard section. Go ahead and tap that shield. This area is dedicated to your account security, and it's where you'll manage and view your authentication information. Once you're in the SteamGuard view, look to the bottom right corner for a small gear icon. That gear opens the SteamGuard settings and tools. Tap the gear to continue. This brings up options related specifically to your mobile authenticator. From the list that appears, select the option labeled Get SteamGuard Code. This tells the app you want to generate or view the current one-time code associated with your account. SteamGuard codes are time-based, so a fresh code is created automatically at regular intervals, and each one only works for a short window. On the next screen, you'll see a button or toggle to reveal the code. Tap Show to display your current SteamGuard code. When it appears, you'll notice a short sequence of numbers, sometimes shown with a timer bar or countdown. That timer indicates how long the code remains valid before it refreshes to a new one. If the timer is close to running out, you can wait a moment for the next code to generate and then use that fresh code during login. A couple of quick tips as you use this. Keep your SteamGuard code private and only enter it on official Steam login screens. Because the code rotates frequently, don't worry if the numbers change. This is normal and part of how two-factor authentication protects your account. And that's it. Open the Steam app, tap the shield icon at the center bottom, tap the gear at the bottom right, choose Get SteamGuard Code, and tap Show to reveal it. With these simple steps, you'll always know exactly where to find your SteamGuard code whenever you need it.